Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program add 1 to n using while loop. 1 to n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n numbers. Very first line of this program, a non-executable statement which won't execute in the runtime. It starts with a hash symbol. It is called single line command. Next line is going to read the input from the keyboard and assigning the value to n. The innermost function is enter the enter the n value. It will display. After displaying this message, automatically control moves to the next line. The input function is used to read the value from the keyboard. My input is I am giving n value is 5. 5 will treated as a string, so you should convert it to integer. That's why I am using outermost function int. The int function is used to convert integer, then it will assign to n, then s equal to 0, I equal to 0. Next statement is while I value 1 less than or equal to n, condition is true. S value is 0, condition is true, automatically control comes inside the loop. S value is 0, 0 plus 1, S will become 1. Then I value, I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, it will increment I value. Now it will become 2 and it will check the condition. 2 less than or equal to n, the condition is true. Then S value is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, S value become 3. Now I value 2, 2 plus 1, it will become 3. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 3 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then S value is 3, I value also 3, 3 plus 3, S will become 6. Now I value is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, I value become 4. Then control comes here and it will check the condition 4 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. S value already 6, 6 plus I value is 4, 6 plus 4, 10, S value become 10. Now I value is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then it control comes here and it will check the condition 5 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. Then control comes inside the loop. S value 10, I value 5, 10 plus 5, 15 it will become. Then I value 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Control comes here and it will check the condition I value 6, 6 less than or equal to n value 5, 6 less than or equal to 5 means condition is false. Control comes to immediate next statement, that is sum of 1 to n, the message will display S value is 15, it will print. Now we will check the output. Fi is used to run the program and my input is 5, you can get output 15. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel and press